Hi guys, welcome to my Automate IQ YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to share a big file folder without internet with only with your Wi-Fi local network. You just have to search in Google, go to the web browser and find localsend.org. Then you can see a window like this. In here, you can go to downloads, and if you are a Windows user, you just have to copy this command and paste in your CMD. If you are a Linux user, you can use Linux command like this. Since I am a Windows user, I am now going to copy this command winget install localsend. I copied that and I'm open my CMD. Here is my CMD. Now I'm going to right click and paste it. In here, I have already installed this package. So it's saying found an existing package already installed. Trying to upgrade the installed package. No available upgrade found. Because I have already installed this application, no need to install it. Once you copy and paste this message, then enter, it will show you small download from GitHub and it will install this local send application. Then you can see here the icon, green color circle, local send. I open the application. Here you can see there are receive send icons. If you want to send something like file or folder or zip file, whatever size, you can click send. Click here, I'm selecting a folder. Now I'm going to my D drive. I'm select this folder and I selected that folder. Now you have to select the device you are sending. It is scanning nearby device. If you have mobile phone, you can just download this local send in your mobile too. Or if you have another PC, you can install the local send in the other PC as well. Then here you can see my mobile phone as beautiful carrot. So I am clicking it. Once it click, it asks for accept my Windows PC called Fastmelon to accept. I'm going to accept it from my mobile. Then you can see it's uploading 1.4 gigabits to my mobile phone. You can see here progress and also advanced. It shows the number of files copied and this file sizes and the speed. I think you got from this valuable video localsend.org. Uh, most of people nowadays they are going to share files with WhatsApp. Uploading is quite slow, but this tool is quite speed than WhatsApp, and also it already encrypt your data and send to the other device. So no need to worry about that. privacy and the security of your data. And I think you got something from this. Subscribe my channel and share to your friends